equipped to face these new challenges. But deep inside, I know that each and every one of us are already prepared to go into the unknown and accomplish the goals that God has set for us in the future. Surely, we can still do it now. Of course, we would not be standing or sitting here today if not for the people who have guided us and treated us like their own. As early as now that we're aware, surely we all agree that we should thank them for the memories and learnings shared. I would also like to appreciate our first teachers, our parents, and guardians for the sacrifices that they have made just to provide us the support and proper education that a child should have. You took care of us, and now it's our turn to take care of you. To my parents, Mama Annalie and Daddy Robert, and to my grandmother, Nanay Emma, I want you to know that I know you've done so much for me, even when I barely realize it. Thank you for loving me unconditionally while expecting nothing in return. I will always look up to you in so many ways, and I hope to carry on the values that you taught me. To our almighty, loving Father, thank you for all the blessings and challenges that you've helped me face. I wouldn't be the person who I am right now without you. To everyone else, our distinguished guests, thank you for taking the time to celebrate this memorable event with us graduates. NDTU Ibet Nagao is and will forever be my home. It is an honor being part of this school's elementary department and giving us the opportunities to not only grow, but to share the joyful memories that we have made in this very campus. Wherever we go, whether we transfer or we stay, we'll still be proud and very honored to say that we will always carry within us the values and knowledge inculcated in us, and that we're Notre-Damians. Congratulations to us, Batch 2025. This isn't the end for us. This is just the beginning of a new story. Until we meet again, God bless you on your upcoming journey.